Boom shakalaka, is now the moment for Bitcoin, or might you want to wait another couple weeks? Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we're taking a look at is now the moment for Bitcoin, or should you wait 2 more weeks before doing anything? Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin Crypto YouTube channel, Crypto Love, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, Fear and Greed at 34, up from yesterday's 29, but still in fear, down from last week's neutral and last month's greed. The overall market down 1%, Bitcoin at 58,888, Ethereum at 2516, and BNB at 529. Now, Bitcoin right now, price sitting pretty much at the peak, the pinnacle, the tip, just the tip of this wedge right here that we predicted a breakout by September 1st, which would be tomorrow, or maybe the day after. I don't know how many days are in August. But right now, price is sitting pretty much right dead center, not really choosing anywhere to go other than sideways. If we take a look, September, generally historically a bad month for Bitcoin, negative 4.78 average and negative 5.58% median. So what will we see this year? Oh, I don't particularly know just yet, but it appears like a massive sell wall for Bitcoin came in right here, just north of $60,000. Right now, you have to survive until the FOMC on the 18th. The market will do everything to shake you out. Maybe there's reason to wait a couple weeks, but if we take a look right now, open interest on HTX Global has massively ramped up to 1.3 billion in the last few months. 75% of their top traders are short. It would be a real shame if these accounts were liquidated real soon. Doesn't the market like to disappoint the most people possible at every opportunity? Right now, the most opportunity for disappointment is those short traders. So we will have to see if, despite this sell wall, we can liquidate some shorts, but may not see anything for a couple weeks right now. Even with Bitcoin price taking a dump all the way down to wherever it is right now, it's still, if we take a look right here, not yet in oversold territory, still in neutral territory. Oversold, a lot of coins are in oversold, like Matic, probably one of the most oversold right now. Might be a decent buy opportunity, but I don't know. You need to do your own research and things like that. But definitely some other things like Pendle, I don't know, maybe not as oversold at the moment. Interesting chart there. Whatever happens though, it does appear like the green channel on the Gaussian has not ended yet. Right now, running in the green color, which apparently is only halfway based on previous time frames between 122 and 148 bars. This being said, we still have a while to go. The bull rally has not ended. But with Bitcoin price tumbling, well, it's once again hit oversold territory. The previous 2 times Bitcoin hit this oversold territory, we saw a very steep, very sharp reversal. Could Bitcoin be on the verge of another one of these reversals? Not only that, but a historic breakout that only ever happened one time in Bitcoin's history. And after that, it went up probably about like 30x, something like that, when Bitcoin broke out from this volatility indicator downtrend. This happened back in January 2017. Bitcoin went from a few hundred to $20,000 post that happening. Well, it just happened once again, breaking this downtrend since the top in 2017. Just recently breaking that. Could we be on the verge of a historic parabolic breakout? Goodness, do I hope so. We have a gigantic inverse head and shoulders formation. Last time this happened, also 2017, before we saw an epic mind-melting bull run for Bitcoin and for altcoins. We also have just rhythmic cyclicity, whatever the word is, for Bitcoin, cycles happening with Bitcoin, where basically after Bitcoin reaches previous resistance, breaks through a halving, Q4 after the halving is pretty much monster bull run territory. Look at that, Q4. A mere month away from Q4, we could see some fireworks on the horizon. Right now, measured move for this Bitcoin rounded bottom pattern that we're having with this slump in volume. Measured target $96,000. Now, there might be a lot of resistance at 100,000, or potentially we might break through there for some seriously crazy levels, which based on these top indicators we're seeing right here, suggesting upwards of $250,000 for the top this cycle. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, The Crypto Love. Subscribe to the channel and YouTube also. Thanks. You'll enjoy that video right there. Check it out. Catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.